Quarantine, state of emergency, shelter in
Europe
place.
is the new epicenter of the epidemic.
It's Friday night, we are feeling bored, nothing to do in the quarantine. So we start suggesting some indoors activities. Feeling depressed and tired for being at home, we were sitting on the couch watching the American Got Talent show while AHALLI had a great idea. We agreed to play the back-to-back drawing game. So we moved on to the school and we played. It was very funny. We had some funny drawing and the results were surprising. Then a mysterious judge came out to explain the phenomenon. He asked each of us to draw something and give us a score depending on a sequence of results. Of course he told us that I'm the winner. You will see why. The main question is how much information do we obtain about the original drawing when we see the last one? You will see.
This mysterious job is a mathematical function. It's called entropy. It's designed to describe the unpredictability of an event. The more the event is unpredictable, the higher values the entropy takes. Let's see in a nutshell how such function can succeed measuring the unpredictability. At the beginning, this function starts by observing the behavior of a random variable, the drawer in our case, and then it counts the number of occurrences for every event, for every drawing. Such data can be represented by a histogram, as you can see. At this stage, it's intuitively possible to perceive the unpredictability of a random variable.
Let's take this example. A drawer who knows to draw just one figure. Each time he is asked to draw something, he only draws his unique figure. Therefore, he is 100% predictable. Otherwise, a drawer who knows to draw two figures is more unpredictable.
Let's take this time to draw with the same child. They know how to draw exactly the same figures. Yet, one of them has some preference towards certain figures than the other. Having some preference reduces the unpredictability, but we don't know exactly how much it's reduced. That brings us to the next step. Finding a function that measures the unpredictability, that gives us a concrete number. The idea is to assign a weight for every segment in the histogram in order to establish a difference between segments from different columns. Then the sum of all segments is calculated.
The obtained value is going to represent the entropy if the weight function meets these criteria.
The good news is, minus the logarithm function is satisfying all the requirements. Let's go back to our main question. How much information do we obtain about the original draw when we see the last one? The information can be defined as the difference between the entropy of the original draw and the entropy of the one drawn in the blackboard.